Yep, put it in. Next two shapes. Oval, and good job. Oh, where's the other one go? Triangle. Next two shapes. Uh-oh, you need to fix that. That's not in yet. This one. Turn it. Yeah, turn. Turn it and put it in. And rectangle, your favorite shape. That's your favorite shape. I don't know why, but rectangle. Good job. Can you fix the heart? Fix the heart. Fix it. Put it in. Good girl. Diamond. Good job. Last one. No, that's square. Square. Turn it around. Turn it. Oh. Can you finish? Finish the puzzle. Put the square in. Oh, put the square in the space. What goes in here? Yes, put it in. Good job. Put the heart. How about the heart? No, you're not all done. The heart in. Put it in. Yeah. And we're all done. What? Sign all done.